Hello students, welcome back to Hybrid Academy. In this video, we are going to solve a trigonometric equation involving secant square theta and tan theta. Let's go step by step and find all the values of theta between 0 degree and 360 degree. Let's use the identity. Okay, so as we know that secant square theta is 1 plus tan 1 plus tan square theta. So we are going to use this instead of secant square theta, we are going to update 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so 3 secant square theta, which is equal to 4 tan theta plus 7. Instead of secant square, we are going to substitute as 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to 4 tan theta plus 7. Let's multiply it. 3 plus 3 tan square theta. We are going to move the right side values to the left side. So plus 4 tan theta, which becomes minus 4 tan theta, and plus 7, while moving to the left side becomes negative 7. So 3 tan square theta minus 4 tan theta. 3 minus 7 is minus. Let's take x as tan theta. Okay. So wherever tan theta, we are going to substitute it as x. So 3x square minus 4x minus 4, which is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Let's find out the factor for this. 6 times 2, which gives you 12, and minus 6 and plus 12. While multiplying, we get the negative 12. While adding this, we get the middle term negative 4. I'm going to divide that by the x square coefficient, which is 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So we can write it down as x minus 2 times 3x plus 2, which is equal to c. So x is equal to 2, and another one, 3x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to negative 2 over 3. We know that x is tan theta. So tan theta, which is equal to 2. We need to find out the theta. Theta equal to tan inverse of 2. What is tan inverse of 2? Tan inverse of 2 is 63.4 degree. Okay, let's find out. The next one is tan theta equal to minus 2 over 3. Theta equal to, we need to find out tan inverse of 2 over 3, which is minus 33.7. Okay. And theta, the tan theta is positive, as we know the quadrants, right? Sine is positive in the second. In the first quadrant, everything will be positive. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. In the third quadrant, tan. Fourth, cos. So for the first one, we have tan value as positive. Hence, the theta is in the third quadrant. Okay. This theta will be in the third quadrant. So we are going to, the third quadrant, we have to substitute, we have to add 180 plus theta. For the second quadrant, 180 minus theta. And here, 360 minus theta. Okay. So theta, which is 63.4 degree. That is tan theta, which is available in the third quadrant. So what we are going to do, we are going to add. Okay, so 180 plus 63.4, which gives you 243.4 degree. The next one, tan theta equal to negative 2 over 3, right? In that, we have the negative value. And for the negative value, the theta, the angle is available in the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant, where tan is negative. Okay, tan is negative in the second, negative in second quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant. For finding the angle, we need to subtract 180, 333.7 from 180, and another angle you have to subtract 33.7 degree from 360 degree. So which gives you 146.3, and whenever we are subtracting 33.7 degree from 360, which gives us 326.3 degrees. So the final answer is theta, which is 63.4 degree, 243.4 degree, 146.3 degree, and 326.3. Okay. That's how we solve the trigonometric equations using identities and the quadratic formula. If you find this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more math tutorials and exam tricks.